real weight, real gravity, real motion, all inside After Effects. Just drop any shape into your scene and watch it come to life. No setup, no jumping between tools, nothing. Bring in your text layers, fully keyframed animations, or any image you've got. They all become physical. Need 100 objects? Generate them in one click and let chaos do the rest. Shatter, smash, break anything. Hollow shapes that catch, strokes that hold. Trim, cut, reshape. Spawn particles from any emitter you draw, with full control over lifetime and color. Add soft bodies that wobble naturally. Send objects through portals. Chain bodies, real ropes that swing, hang, and behave like physics, and so much more. Real physics, right inside After Effects.